Swarm Investigation Report. Polymath Metaswarm Synthesis Report. The concept of user date asterisk current date to asterisk Polymath Metaswarm Oversight Committee from asterisk Metaswarm Final Synthesis Stage Subject asterisk Comprehensive Analysis of the user concept within the Metaswarm system. 1. Executive Summary asterisk asterisk This report synthesizes the findings from an in-depth investigation into the concept of user within the Polymath Metaswarm system, as prompted by the initial meta prompt. Based on the core definition, the individual interacting with the Metaswarm system, providing commands and receiving results, in contextual analysis, this report details the user's fundamental connections to the system, the profound implications of their role, and critical areas for future exploration. The user is identified as the indispensable nexus for system activation, direction, and evaluation, profoundly shaping Metaswarm behavior and agent capabilities. 2. Introduction, defining that user that user is the foundational entity that bridges the external environment with the internal operations of the Polymath Metaswarm. As explicitly defined, the user is the individual interacting with the Metaswarm system, providing commands and receiving results. This definition establishes the user as both the initiator of Metaswarm activity and the ultimate recipient of its outputs. The subsequent analysis, informed by the Metaswarm's operational context, expands upon this core understanding to delineate the user's multifaceted role. 3. Connections of the user to the Metaswarm system ***. The user's connection to the Metaswarm is direct, functional, and bidirectional, establishing a clear operational loop, *** command provision ***. The user serves as the primary source of directives, queries, and tasks for the Metaswarm. These commands are the initial input that activates agent processes, defines objectives, and sets the scope of investigation or generation. Without user commands, the Metaswarm remains in a dormant or undirected state. Result reception following the Metaswarm's processing and synthesis, the user is the designated recipient of the generated results. These results can manifest as reports, analyses, creative outputs, or proposed solutions, directly addressing the initial commands. This feedback loop is crucial for validating Metaswarm performance and informing subsequent user interactions. System interface The user interacts with the Metaswarm through a designated interface, which translates human intent into machine-readable commands and formats complex Metaswarm outputs into comprehensible results. This interface is the critical conduit facilitating the user-Metaswarm dialogue. User is not merely an external operator but an integral and dynamic component of the Polymath Metaswarm ecosystem. Their role as the source of commands and the recipient of results establishes a fundamental operational cycle. The implications of this role are far-reaching, influencing system behavior, agent adaptation, and overall performance. By strategically exploring advanced interfaces, proactive support, expanded collaborative models, and enhanced feedback mechanisms, the Metaswarm can evolve to provide an even more intuitive, powerful, and symbiotic relationship with its users, unlocking unprecedented levels of collective intelligence and capability.